those are here, how you going? Thought I would do a little bike check video. I actually haven't done one of those for a while I'm up here in Sydney for the Aussie titles. I'm at my teammate, my profile teammate's house, Wes, and he's actually got a profile racing cruiser, which is just over there. I've always loved these cruisers. They're fairly rare. And initially it was actually Shane's. Shane got it off someone and then has passed it on to Wes, and Wes has restored it to somewhat. It's still in race condition. It looks like it's just come off the racetrack. A few little nicks and scratches, just like it was raced yesterday at the Grands or something. But it's an awesome bike. Like I said, there's not many of them around. Yeah, I wouldn't mind having a little ride on it. So yeah, Wes was kind enough. They had practice today, cruiser practiced. I chilled back here at the crib and asked him if I could do a little bike check on this amazing bike. So yeah, let's go check it out. So let's check out this bad boy. So we have a 1999-2000 PR cruiser, which is profile racing cruiser. It's running the Mazzocchi Sinister aluminium forks. I remember seeing them when I first came back into BMX about 2001. Crazy looking thing. I love the head tube decal there. It's running a hip front load profile stem. Tangent pads with some Supercross handlebars. I actually think those bars used to be mine. So also Wes has got profile minis on it with the Volcano washers, the Velocity rims, which are such an integral part of mid-school BMX, the Whippet chainring, profile 19mm race cranks. These pedals here are a replica of the Horseshoe profile pedal that they brought out in the early 80s, which are basically unattainium. So these are an awesome replica made by a guy in Melbourne, Victoria, Australia. So yeah, this bike looks like it's just been raced. It's in awesome condition. As we know, Wes is a bike mechanic, and so it just looks a little bit rough, but it's also has that appeal. Yeah, like look at the gusseting back there, the cool gusseting behind the seat pole, Tektro brakes, THE seat, really cool profile seat pole clamp. Yeah, I just love this bike. I would actually really love to have a ride of this, maybe. Actually got to have the ride on this profile cruiser the next day at the track, just around the car park, but it was still actually heaps of fun. A lot of people was looking at it because not many people have seen them, asked a few questions. It would definitely be cool to have a go around the track one day. Hopefully Wes will give me the nod also for that, but yeah, definitely enjoyed riding around on this the next day at the track. Yeah, it's a cool looking rig. ODI grips. Yeah, it's just a really nice looking bike. I keep standing on sticks. It's just such a nice bike. I think the top tube is a little over 21. I think it's like a 21.5. I'm pretty sure that's what Wes said. Those boys went to the track today to do cruiser practice while I'm sitting here doing a bike check. Yeah, so I just thought I'd do a quick little bike check for all you cool kids out there, And as always, go to the track, ride your bike, have fun. Hope to catch up with everybody this week at the Aussie titles here, the Nationals at MacArthur. And if you're travelling up, please be safe. And yeah.
I mean, she got a whole lot more than a little bit. She got yes, how I like it. She got yeah. She carrying on. Yes, how I like it. She got a whole lot more than a little bit. Yeah. She got She got